Just hours away now from the United States Supreme Court hearing a local man's case, one that could have national ramifications. Fane Lozman has been in a legal battle with the city of Riviera Beach since 2009, all over what he calls his houseboat. News Channel 5's Ryan Calhoun reporting tonight from Riviera Beach.
The big question that Supreme Court justices will have to decide on is whether Lozman's floating structure is a home or a vessel. It's a landmark case that could mean big changes for the boating community. Just because it floats doesn't mean it's a boat. That's Fane Lozman's claim, one he's been arguing since 2009 when his floating home was demolished by the city of Riviera Beach.
The city of Riviera Beach destroyed my home and all my furniture.
We spoke to Lozman by phone earlier. He's getting ready for his argument to be heard at the Supreme Court Monday.
It's exciting that the Supreme Court is taking on this issue that we're all so very familiar with and hearing about this for years.
A federal judge ruled Lozman's floating home was a vessel and not a house. The definition of a vessel, though, is what Supreme Court justices will have to rule on. Appeals courts have issued conflicting decisions on the issue.
Different states around the country recognize what a floating structure is. And a floating structure, their definition is it's not a practical means of transportation. It's just an extension of land.
The case is being watched closely around the country by people who live on the water and commercial businesses, such as floating casinos.
What is going to be interesting and very telling is when this case is argued, listening to the justices' questions.
Lozman believes the justices will side with his argument and not the city of Riviera Beach's.
East of the 11th Circuit, which is Florida, Georgia, and Alabama, is drifting away from the rest of the country and what is a vessel and what is a floating structure.
Lozman says if he does win, he's going to move another houseboat back into a local marina. The Riviera Beach city attorney told our news partners at the Palm Beach Post that she believes that the case will mainly be about settling the differences in the rulings in lower courts. It's expected to take a few months before a decision is made. I'm Ryan Calhoun, WPTV News Channel 5.